If you forgot your passcode and your iPhone is logged out, you will need to enter recovery mode and restore your iPhone to factory settings. This video will show you how to do that. But before this, you should know that restoring iPhone via recovery mode will erase all content and settings. To restore your iPhone after the reset, you will have to already keep a backup in iCloud or on your computer. The video also goes for a tool to remove forgotten passcode on your iPhone. It's called iPhone Unlocker and could detect your iPhone even if it's disabled. So first, I'm gonna introduce how to enter recovery mode, basically for any iPhone model, and put it back to factory settings. To complete this, you will need a computer, Mac or PC is okay, and a lightning cable that comes with your iPhone. Plus, you need to install Finder or Mac OS Catalina. If you are using a Windows PC or using a Mac with Mac OS Mojave or earlier, install and update iTunes in its latest version. Now step 1. Place your iPhone into recovery mode. Right here, I have an iPhone 12 and it's disabled for 15 minutes. Or if you have an iPhone 8 or later, turn off it first. Press and hold the side button and hit the volume button until power or slider appears. Drag the slider to turn it off. Then hold down the side button and connect your device to your computer. Keep holding on the side button until you see the recovery mode screen. It's recognized as Connect to Computer icon, or in older iPhones, it turns to be a Connect to iTunes icon. Make sure not to release the side button even when you see the Apple logo. On iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus, press and hold the side button, then drag the power off slider to shut it down. Hold down the side button and plug your device into your computer. Keep holding the side button until your iPhone restarts. And you're gonna see the Apple logo and then the recovery mode screen. On iPhone 6s or earlier, press and hold the side button to trigger the power off slider. Then turn it off. Press the home button and keep holding on it, and connect your phone to the computer with the USB cable. Don't let go of the home button even you see the Apple logo. With a moment and see, your phone displays the recovery mode screen. Step 2. Factory reset your iPhone to remove the passcode. Now on your computer, Finder or iTunes will give you a message saying that there's a problem with the iPhone that requires to be updated or restored. Click Restore, then click Update and Restore, and follow the prompts to initiate the process. Make sure to know that any current data will be deleted. iTunes or Finder will download the latest iOS update for the iPhone and erase settings and data. See, your iPhone is restoring and is displaying Apple logo and progress bar on its screen. When it's finished, you can access your iPhone without passcode. You are going to lose everything and use the device as new. If the restore process takes longer than 15 minutes, the device will get out of recovery mode. To re-enter recovery mode and restore the device again, you need to repeat the previous steps. I successfully do this and my iPhone has returned to the factory default condition. Then follow the on-screen instruction to set it up from the scratch. Make sure that you have the Apple ID and password so you can use the device again. If you have a backup on your computer or iCloud server, you can use it to get back your information. If you are still unable to unlock your iPhone even after restoring via recovery mode, you can use iPhone Unlocker. You can find the download link in the description section below. The program is easy and smart for removing forgotten passcode of iOS device. It factory reset your iPhone and iPhone software when you need your information but you have no access to the phone. Any iPhone model is supported. When you are ready, go to Agiga.com, locate iPhone Unlocker, download and install it on your computer. The software has Mac version and Windows version. Launch it, and on its screen, choose Y passcode, then click the Start button. As promoted, use a USB cable to connect your iPhone to the computer. If the software doesn't recognize your device, you need to follow the on-screen instruction to put it into recovery mode. When it's detected, select the device information corresponding to your iPhone, and then hit the Start button. The software is now downloading the iOS firmware. Once done, it will remind you that the process resets the software and erases all your data. Next, enter 0000 in the field to confirm your decision. The last step is to click the unlock button. Then the restore process begins. Be sure not to disconnect your device. When it's done, you should be landing at the Hello screen. Swipe out the screen or press Home button to open your iPhone and start setting it up since it has reverted to the out-of-box state. Put your language and your country. Choose the Wi-Fi network. Enter your Apple ID and password for the activation lock. Set a new passcode and restore your iPhone from a backup. That's pretty much it. So if you've forgotten your passcode, here are the 2 ways around restoring your iPhone to factory default. Hold this unlock your iPhone. Please hit the like button for this video. Subscribe to AppGeek channel or click another video on the end screen to get more useful tips.